Nice and soft. Asking for, there, yep, asking for that little moment of jaw. Don't let him scratch his kneecaps. There we go. And you're looking ahead to the next one. You're not looking at his kneecaps. You're looking ahead to where you're going. Yep, asking for that little bit of flexion. Pushing him over with that inside leg. Straightening him out here. You have like 1 or 2 strides where he's perfectly straight. And then you're switching the flexion. There you go. Good. Good. I know, this is so hard, Ty. All right, when you're ready, cut across the arena again. Let's try it at trot. Let's see what we got. And if you need to circle down there and help him find his brain, so be it. Good boy, Ty. Yeah, when he starts laying on you like that, just like you did around the cones, ask him for that little bit of flexion and say, come back to me. This first time, Lord only knows what we're going to get, so we're just going to try and see what we got. Might end up being more serpentine than zigzag, but try and be as precise as you possibly can. That's okay. That's okay. There we go. Good. Good. I know, Ty, this is not easy for you. It's okay. That's why this is practice. Oh, look, you've set yourself up beautifully to come through it again in reverse. Yay! Good. Good. A little bit of flexion. Good with your eye. I like it. Yeah, that cone is just, you know, that's there just if we want it. It's optional. Think he's onto our game? Good. Really swing it around. Good, Sam. Good, good, good. Yeah! That's okay. Yee! Well done! Yay! See, who knew you could do weaving poles and cones? Go, Ty, go! Well done, Sam. Good. Fine to do. Let him have that moment. Help him bring it around. Yep, pushing, pushing, telling him forward. Forward's the answer. Stop is not. You stubborn little boy. There we go. Good. No, not good.